I bought the Atomos Ninja V. I use Canon R6s to film weddings, but they come with two major headaches, and I'm hoping this monitor / recorder fixes the issue. Let's go unbox it. Anyone that's shot with the Canon R5 or R6 is well aware it has two major setbacks. One, it's going to overheat. Two, it has a 30-minute record limit. When you film weddings all the time, having your camera stop recording in the middle of the ceremony because it reached the 30-minute record limit is annoying. Having your camera shut off because it overheated is a huge problem. I got the Atomos Ninja to record externally to bypass Canon's 30-minute record limit, and by not recording internally, it alleviates some of that heat and it doesn't overheat as fast. The only thing that comes in the box with the monitor is the monitor itself and a power supply. So you are going to need to order some extra things if you want to use this for your kit if you don't have these parts lying around. You're going to need to order a solid state drive for the monitor specifically, some NPF style batteries if you're not using like a big battery source, and you're going to need an HDMI cable, as well as an attachment to actually hook it up to your small rig or whatever it is that you're using. So there's only one question left to ask. Does the monitor do what I need it to do, and is it worth it? Technically that's two questions, but yes and no. When it comes to the record limit, it blows past the 30-minute record limit just like I wanted it to. The only limitation is going to be the camera battery, so I recommend getting an external power source if you're going to film for long periods of time. Number two, the overheating issue. I got contracted by another company to film a wedding and their requirements are 4K 60 all day. This is the perfect scenario to test this monitor out to see if it's going to make me last longer than usual. That's what she said. Some of the settings you have to have in the camera, like preventing the display from shutting off and your viewfinder from shutting off, it actually caused my camera to overheat faster because those things are just on and running the whole time. That way when you're recording externally, it keeps the feed going. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm sick. I overall think it's a great piece of equipment to buy. If you're in the market for a monitor, definitely consider the Atomos Ninja. And yeah, that's gonna do it. So like and subscribe to the video.